Hello everyone, this is Akshay Pradhan, and recently I had gone through gut health intensive training imparted by Mrs. Sujata Gupta, the team led by FoodnCure team, and the best part I found that Sujata ma'am was so patiently and very cordially she clarified and cleared all the doubts arising from the course, as well as she correlated the nature cure system with the modern science also, because gut is a very complex system comprising of various organs together, and after going through the course I'm confident to teach and to handle any gut issues of any my client in future also, and I have started the journey. And after going through the course, I developed a lot of confidence to handle all the gut issues also, because she gave a lot of clarities regarding the all organs and a lot of systems, and the study was very insightful. And I recommend anyone who is aspiring to pursue a career in the wellness field and in the micro-niche of gut health also. It is a must do course, and it is very valuable. I thanks and a lot of gratitude to the whole FoodnCure team, especially Sujata ma'am and Amit sir. Thank you so much sir.